Hello and welcome to the Online Ambassador platform. My name is Ados Michael. Well, on today's episode is actually not the same process, the same stuff that we do. This is actually a course content that we've actually designed for our easy WordPress web development course that is actually taking place right now. We've been developing the course for like about 40 days now, making sure we are putting all the nitty-gritties, all the pros and all the cons, everything that we need to put to make sure that you that is taking this course will be carried along. Now, this is our 16th to 17th year in the business, so I can tell you that me and my company will come a long way to see everything in different perspective. And when a student attend our class, because we over 2-3 years we've trained over 10,000 plus students, a lot of things that we've seen, students who have attended the class, who refuse to upgrade themselves, who refuse to join our mentorship program. The mentorship program, by the way, is for free, and training that we do for website design, mobile app development, cyber security, YouTube channel creation, social media influencing, a lot of things like that are actually, once every month that we actually undergo that training. And it's in partnership with Brekete Family, okay? As the head of ICT at Umaride Radio, the head of Brekete Academy, and also the head boy of Brekete Family. This is a platform that has, really, really paved way for people like me and a lot of my colleagues in the business, especially those under the academy. It's a platform that has, been a blessed one to us, funded by the honorary president, Dr. Ahmed Issa, who has, given us the opportunity to come in and, give back to as many of you out there who actually are willing to learn. So the most important thing is I have discovered over time that students who have attended our classes, some of them who don't want to practice or join the free mentorship platform, you find out after a few months they will come to you and say, sir, I actually want to develop e-commerce website. I want to develop multi-level marketing website. I want to develop corporate website. I want to develop a business website. And you tell them, okay, so what's the problem? They say, honestly, they can't remember anything. Okay. Some of them will tell you they remember. Some will tell you, I'm stuck somewhere here, and that's why the mentorship class is very good, because it helped them to, you're stuck here. Okay, this is how to go about it. Okay, this is what to do next. That's the platform. But we decided to say, okay, what if we come up with a course content that covers virtually every part that you need to? So, which means by taking the course, you can actually understand vividly everything you want to do. So we'll give you step by step on everything that is needed for you to know on how to get your domain name, how to get your host plan, how to get a free SSL certificate with us from our also hosting platform called amadoshosting.com. That you could also get when you subscribe. You get a free SSL certificate when you get your domain name and your host plan, no matter the plan you choose to go for. Now, we want you to get this course. It's design and tag for 30,000 naira, but we decided to say, you know what, let's give a discount. Let's give it out for 5,000 naira. Yeah, so that you get it. Getting this course give you access to our lifetime membership, which means you're going to be there for life. As we upgrade the course, as we have more courses, you can actually benefit from it. And what we try as much as possible to do is to make sure we cover all the process, so that when you want to develop a website, all that you need to know to put up your site from start to finish will be covered. Then we also, on the course, we want to try as much as possible to make it extensive. That's why we are using up to 40 days also to do that, because we want to make sure, okay, what if I want to develop this website? How can I go about it? There was a step-by-step on process how to go about it. What if I say I want to develop a corporate website? How can I go about it? We give you also a process how to do that. So virtually every aspect of a project that you will want to design, or a client will want you to design by paying you, it's going to be covered in this course, so that you can have extensive way of developing websites. So by the time you're getting this course and you enroll, which means you can actually have your blueprints for developing any website in the palm of your hand. So we just try as much as possible to make sure you actually get the best out of the course. So by this time you're here watching this, I'm sure you've gotten your domain name, you've gotten your host plan, and also you've gotten your free SSL certificate from AmadosHosting.com. And I'm sure right now you've seen how to go to your cPanel, how to also install your WordPress from your Softaculous app installer. And I'm sure right now you are at your dashboard, and from your dashboard you clean up your dashboard and you follow up on how to install theme, how to install plugin, how to actually customize and do other things you want to do. Yeah, I know you've done it, because the last section of the video we've explained in details with screenshots on how you can go about it. But right now it's a practical way to go about it. So what we want to do now is to give you a platform where you can be able to practice. I understand that sometimes, after paying this 5,000, you might not even have money to be able to get your hosting, your domain name, and also get access and enjoy the free SSL certificate for now. So I decided to, okay, let me unveil a particular platform that you can use to, practice for 2 hours or practice for 7 hours, depending on what you choose to do. Because the first way is, if you want to practice without creating an account, you can actually do that for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the account will be deleted. Then if you also want to create an account, then after 7 days the account also will be deleted. Why? Because it's a free platform to do all that. It's meant for training, it's meant for practicing, and they expect that once you're done practicing, you go to AmadosHosting.com to get your domain name and host plan. Then you get your free SSL certificate. Now the good thing about it is, as you practice, you can also do what? Download everything that you've practiced into your computer, then go to the hosting, AmadosHosting.com, and get your SSL certificate for free, domain name, and also your hosting. Then you can move all that you've done so far so good as you practice into the very particular platform that you've purchased, so that you can actually continue from there. So it's as easy as ABC. So I'm going to be walking you through on how to achieve that on our next lesson. Let's get there. All right, welcome back to the course. Hope you're doing okay. I'm sure you're enjoying the course. I'm sure you've really taken those quiz also that is attached with all the lessons, the previous ones we've covered before now. And I hope you also have gotten your domain name, your free SSL certificate with our hosting, AmadosHosting.com. It's very important you do so, because you want to make money. And the only way you can make money is to spend money. Now you spend money to want to, take the course. Course usually that is supposed to be for 30,000, we're giving you for 5,000 naira. Well, that's cool. Now the next thing again is to also invest another money to actually get your website up and running live, so that people can be able to access it, so that things could, start coming into the pocket. But right now we felt, okay, in case you want to practice, maybe you want to practice for a while first. Before you could decide to make that decision to say, okay, you want to, get your site up and running. So fine. This platform that we're about to unveil will allow you to practice a few hours or a few days, depending on which one you choose to do. So I will be unveiling right now this particular platform so that you can actually enjoy it. Okay. So far so good. Here you go. We have testwp.com. This is the platform that you're going to be using to create your website for free with WordPress. Then you can actually use it to practice and actually practice. Then when you are done practicing, you quickly go to our platform called AmadosHosting.com. So make sure you go to AmadosHosting.com, where you are going to actually get your hosting up and running, so that you can actually quickly get your sites ready. But first, let's go and actually talk about this. Now we're here. We can scroll down to see other things, but they're not relevant for now. So what we need is get a taste of WordPress. Set up a new WordPress instance now. So now they're saying set it up. no sign up required. So all you needed to do is to make sure that the first thing you do is on this part that say I agree with the terms and conditions. So you click on it. All right, so when you click on I agree with the terms and condition, you now click this set it up, no sign up required. Bam, very easy. Then once you do so, everything will now be setting up for you, and see, voila, brand new site is here. Your credentials, you can copy it and paste it somewhere. Then you have also your URL here, then you have your username, then you have your password. This you can actually also just copy and go to your new browser and paste, click it open, or you access it now. Anyone you think you want to use, it's up to you to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'll click access it now. So I click access it now, then it will redirect me right now to my administerbook.tastes.com/wp-admin. Of course, if I want to have access to my back end, I need to put /wp-admin. Now I'm on my back end. Your site is successfully set up, and of course all the credentials like they said. But you can see you have just 2 hours to enjoy this. So whatever thing you want to do under 2 hours. In fact, I love this. You know why I love it? Then I could time myself and say I want to develop an e-commerce website, and for that fact that I want to develop an e-commerce website, I'm giving myself just 2 hours. 2 hours to develop that. So which means I've timed myself. So whatever thing I want to do under 2 hours, I'll make sure I get it done. I want to also develop a corporate website. Under 2 hours, I want to make that possible. I get it done. I want to develop a corporate, religion website, or I want to develop a multi-level marketing, any website, business website, etc. Call it up. I can just give myself 2 hours, and I will make sure I get all the job done. Then once I'm done getting the job done, all I need to do is to quickly go and actually do what? Scroll down. You see there is a plugin already called backup migration. So let's assume we've developed this site. Of course, if you go and check the front end is actually not fine. It's just the normal usual thing. So normally what you are supposed to do is to clean up this very WordPress website, go back to your site and refresh your site. You see that your site is here. Then you want to go back to business. You want to develop your site to whatever thing you want to develop. Of course, definitely the easy way to do that is for you to be able to do what? Choose the particular team based on the project you want to build. Now you want to build a project for whatever niche, you just have to do what? Go get the particular team that you need to get. Then when you get the team on go to team. Then on your team section, you need to go to add new team. Then of course you want to upload, in case maybe you purchase any premium team, you can upload. But if you just want to get the new one for trying, you can just use Astra. Since Astra is one of the best free team that we have, you just click on Astra, you get your team, everything goes smoothly. Then you activate Astra. Of course, once you activate it, the next thing you want to do under your appearance is to go to Astra option. Click on Astra option. This will allow you to see the import plugins, and this will also automatically activate. Now they have page builders, so you can actually choose which of the page builder you want to use to design this very site. They have like about 4 or so or thereabouts. So I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So Breezy, Gutenberg, and also Div Builder and Elementor, they are all page builder. So, but I want to use Elementor. It's easy, very, very nice and smooth to use. Okay, so here I have actually all the particular templates, but I want to use the free one. So I go to the free, select the free. Now, okay, I got it. So let me see. All these guys here are the free ones that are available to you. So depending on my niche, I can go here and search my niche. I can say, I can say e-commerce. Click e-commerce. Of course, you can see that we have AC technician, architecture, e-commerce, all this blah blah blah. Anyone I want to use. Let's say tech business. I click tech business, so I have this guy here already here, looking nice. I can click on it and I can see how it looks. See, it's looking nice, very very nice, very nice. So this is actually it. So if I want, I can do what? I can go for this and say this is what I want. This is the about us section of it. This is the features section, and also this is the plan section, so that you can actually choose which plan you want to use, and you can also preview Here, so you can see how it looks before you decide to go for it. So this is it. This is how it looks. Very nice, very cool. So depending on what you want to build, if this is what you want to build, sure, why not? All you needed to do is to actually get it on and get it customized. So this is the About Us section. Get it? So you can choose anyone you want. All right. Then this is the Future section. Yeah, very nice, lovely. You can also choose what? The Plan section and see how it is. Look at the Plan section. You can choose the Plan section. So this is how it is. So if this is what you want, why not? You can go ahead and do what? Import all the complete website into your site. If you don't want it, you can go again and choose another one. You want corporate website, you can just choose corporate. So this is corporate freelancer voice digital marketing. Let's see this. Then let's go up and actually see how it looks on the agency. So this is it. Very nice. I think I like this. Wow, lovely. I think I like this portfolio. Wow, this is cool. Wow, I think I like this. For those IT gurus, so you can just go for this and see the services. This looks so amazing. Wow, I like this. I think I've not checked this theme out before, but it's cool. It's super easy, super nice. So if I want this to be the very theme that I want to use, all I need to do to go back and say what? Import. Then it will just ask me for simple thing. You are close to importing the template. To complete this process, please clear the following condition. Disable debunk mode. Now this debunk mode, it's actually here we can actually take it to false. So kindly disable it to continue importing the starter template. To do so, you can add the following code into your wp-config PHP. So this wp-config PHP, if I want to do that, all I need is to do what? Copy this guy, go to my wp-config this. So you say read this article here to resolve this issue. Well, I don't want to do that. I want to just skip this right now and import. I don't want to do this. So I can click skip. So now instead of me going to do all that, I just click that skip. Then for me, it said to serve more beautiful starter template, we would like to know more about you. Well, I'm a beginner and this is me, myself, and I just click next. Then he will ask you to put this down, just click skip. So you could do that. Then the next thing, all the whole stuff will successfully import. You see, your site that is looking very ugly like this, just wait for it. Just wait for it and see what is happening. So it's importing all the content that is in there, the logo, the image, all the project stuff, and everything is done. Voila. So let's go back to our site and refresh the site. Excuse me. Now this is our site. Wow, so cute. Very, very nice. This is our site. I'm administerbook.tastewp.com. So this is our site, looking nice. Remember, we have just 2 hours to make sure we get this done, because if you go back to your back end right now and actually click your dashboard, you will still see that at the end of the day everything is looking nice. So all we need to do is to clean up this. I like everything neat on my site, so I go up here and just take this guy off completely. I don't want to see them all. I want them all to go. So now my site is looking nice. You look maybe later. Now my site is looking nice. So now what you need to do excuse me, I think I need water, but don't worry, I'll get that done. Pause the video, then I'll bring myself back. All right, welcome back. So now it's very simple. Now you've gotten your site up and ready. You've imported the more data. Your site is ready. All you need to do right now is to clean up everything that is there and start imputing your own content. Or probably you can start imputing the client's content. Of course, if your client gives you, of course, the contract to do, of course, you don't need to use client websites for practice. So you need to make sure you use this to practice. Then if client actually give you any project, you're supposed to go to amadoushosting.com and actually purchase the domain name and host plan, so you can take your time and design your site. But this is because you want to practice and you want to make sure you be on clock, because you just have 2 hours to make sure you get this website up and ready. Now, once you do so, the next thing you want to do right now is to make sure that, okay, now our site is ready. Look at our site. We need to clean up this site, make sure we take everything out, and also start, putting all our own content and removing their own content. So what we need to do is to just go up here called Edit with Elementor. Click on it. Down, you can actually have access to it. Then you can now start doing all the deleting of the site. So now look at the site, is looking lovely. So I want to delete anyone I want to delete here on the site. When I click on it, it will show up at the left hand side, and I can take away anything I want to take away. Same thing, you see, it's showing up here. Every part here is showing here. If the image also, if I want to delete this image, I want to change it out, I can just click on this part here, up here, or I can just say edit section. By the time I go to style, you'll see the image. This is the image. I can just take it off and upload. Once I click change image or choose image, or if I say click delete, anyone I want, I can click delete, which means I can remove it. Then I can choose from anyone that I have on my computer or on my library, then bring it in to our media and change it. That I can do. I can do so many things. All I need to do is to click. I can change this icon library to something else. Just click on the icon library to take me to the library. I can search for anyone. I can say cache. I can change it to it by inserting it. So let me remove this up and click insert. I can bring it back down. So now it has changed to that. I can click on every part. Look at it. I can design. I can take away everything and put all the things I want to put. All I can be doing till I get down, change everything. It's nice. With all that, if you click on it, you can actually take everything, bring it, do all the things you want to do, all the stunts you want to do. You can do all that here with Elementor. I'm telling you, this is superb, very nice. You can do all the things you want to do. You can go to the template also to choose again anything you want to do. You can choose the blog sections that you want to use per sections. Anything you want to do here, man. This is just very, very lovely. So I'm going to take it back and make sure I bring it back to what it is, because what I want to do right now is, this is the site. I don't want to change anything. I just want to show you how it's done, because we have 2 hours. Now I go back to the dashboard and scroll down to the plugin that was here called Backup Migration. Now what I want to do is very simple. I have decided to practice, and I have, developed something cool. Now, let me say, I could remember a student of mine was asking me, so can I have a platform where I can, play around, get myself ready? Then I want to move those stuff into the live website where I will buy my domain name and my host plan and also get a security. I said, okay, so this right now, you can decide to do what? You can decide to do so by doing what? Coming to the backup right now section. Now when you come to backup section, it gives you access to create a backup, so you can actually manage or restore. Because what is happening here is, if I create this very particular backup now, okay, back it up, click backup. Now it will ask me, based on your selection, 69.40 MB of data is unzipped, will be backed up, which means all the whole content that I actually just download are 69.40 MB. Now when I create this backup right now, this all will go into zip and it will download on my computer. Yes, great. So now it tells me, look at all the backups, all everything going. Yeah. Ooh, backup successfully. Go back again to our own section and do what? Get another one again. So this time around again, I say fine, I want to have another one again. This time around, I don't want to have the one for the one that I can actually use for 2 hours, so that I don't start panicking. So I click what? Sign up. Sign up, you tell me to put up my username. I say okay, fine. My username is Ados Michael. All right, my username Ados Michael. Let me fill all this, filling everything. You make sure you click on I agree with the terms and condition, right? Yep. Then click what? Register. Now there we go. You can now do what? Login. So you come back again. login. Voila. Now this is our site. Okay, please verify your email. Oh, okay, no problem. We just have to go to our Gmail so that I can verify. That's Michael. Yep. So I want to verify my name. That's Michael. Login. Yep. Let's go. All right. So I need to, put up the security. All right. Voila, I'm in. So this is it. So I click on it and it's okay. Hey you. That's Michael, right? Yeah, that's me. You created this account on this. Yes, that's true. Okay, to confirm your account, click here. All right, I've clicked here. Now, this is it. Your account has been what? Activated. So do what? Back to dashboard. Yeah, voila, sure. This is my dashboard. So let me see. Create new site. Okay. Yeah, everything nice. Create sites. Okay. So I'm having different site name. All right. So I want to get the site. Now let's see. 7 days because I created account. But the other now I want to do what? Let me see. Or Daddy. Oh, so I go back to addicted. So you know how it is looking so ugly. So what I want to do is do what? Go straight. So now our site audicted key. Let's see how it is looking fresh. So now what we want to do right now, it's very simple. Now on the other side, we've gotten what? Our website already, and we've actually do what? Backup it. Now the idea for that is the one you want to use to practice. Then that's the one you want to use to see how you can actually get your feet up, and if that's the water, you've seen that it's okay. Now you've created the website. Now you knowing fully well that if you did not create account 2 hours time, the site will disappear. Now if you create account, you have 7 days. So whatever thing you want to do for 7 days, you need to do. Now you've done with the site. You've gone to amadoushosting.com, you've purchased your domain name and your host plan, and you're given free SSL certificates. The site is ready. So now let's assume right now that is the site. This is our site that we've gotten from amadoushosting.com. This is our main website. Now this, on the other hand, is the site that we've gotten, and we know in few hours time or in few days time it will disappear. So, and we've done what? We've back up. We just do the whole thing. So let me download it. Okay. So I click download. Okay. So this download right now will be downloaded here. Look at it. So once you finish downloading, then I will now do what? If I go to this part here and say I want to locally do it, then it will now say, okay, fine. You want to locally do it? You will need to also do what? Get this guy up and running. That's what we need. So I say no problem. I will get it up. So right now it's done. All right. So I go to my browser here. Then I go to my download. Then here you are. So I click on it. Then I download it. Now it's coming. So let's see. Upload in progress. So let's allow it to upload. Yeah, that's it going. 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 That's it. It's ready. So right now, don't mind, it's very, very ready. So right now, I don't need to click cancel. It's 100% ready. So right now, all I need to do is to say, okay, fine. Let's go back. I've gotten everything ready. It's here. All right. So that's okay, fine. This is it. Now you are here. Okay. So let me refresh my site. It's still not directly here. So now upload successfully. So why I did that purposely is for you to see that as long as it's not showing this, even though you're showing 100%, don't go and click that cancel, and if you go and check, you'll not see it. But right now, you see upload successfully. Now you can click what? Okay. Now this is it. It's now here on my site. But still, go and refresh and see what will happen. Yeah, see? Nothing is happening. You know why? Because you're supposed to click what? Restore. If you don't click restore, it will not actually be here. So you do what? Click restore. Now I say all existing folder, files, and database on this side will be overwritten and what? destroy for good. Oh no, I wish there is something that is there, but we know there is nothing there. I say, yes, I understand. You say, okay, start what? Restoring. So now, do not close this window as long as the restoring process is ongoing. Restoring successfully. Right now, everything okay. So, okay, close. Thank you. Now, go back to your site. I give to you your new website. Up and ready. See? Everything nice, very easy. Did you see it? Now you can do what? Edit with Elementor, and website is smooth. So this is your own website that in the next 2 hours it will expire. Yes, it with Mr. Book that tastes weepy. Now we have what? All that is here now. So everything nice, easy and easy and easy. That's actually how it is. So I'm sure you have enjoyed how this is very simple. You can use 2 hours to achieve it. You can use what? 7 hours. 7 days. Before you say, hey, this guy 7 hours. 7 days. I say, yeah, it's 7 days. So what can you do in 2 hours or with 7 days? Let's try it. So it's up to you. Until I see you in the other lesson, catch you soon.